Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about Guild.com reviews. This site has created huge curiosity among the people of United States, and we will check whether it is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, one can easily understand that this website deals with products like dresses, shoes, etc. Now let's check about the best-selling products. So as you can see, currently there is a huge discount available in all the products. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about the payment policy. So friends, here the payment policy is not mentioned, but if you click on FAQ/contact us section, here the options are available. So for payment, here you can see under accepted payments you will get to know the details. So they accept MasterCard, Visa, American Express and Discover. So these are the payment information. Now let's check about the shipping policy. So on this page you can get the shipping information under shipping and tax. Now let's check regarding the shipping information. So for US it is 48 contiguous United States. You can select standard, second day or next day checkout for orders shipped within 48 contiguous United States. For Alaska and Hawaii you can check for shipping and it will be delivered in 2 to 7 business days from the shipment. So these are some information regarding the shipping time frame, guaranteed holiday delivery, shipping restrictions, fees, multiple addresses. These all information are available. You can check it by clicking on the shipping options as well. Now let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website is a scam or a legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means payment gateway is totally safe and secured. Besides this, the website has been registered on 4th of March 1998, hence it is an old website. Now if you want to know about the About Us page section, let's check into it. So friends, there is an About Us page section, but it is plagiarized. Hence it is one negative point about the website. Now if you want to know about the contact address, let's go to the contact information. So friends, here you can see there is no contact information available. Let's check more regarding this. So you can see under FAQ or /contact us section. So here the email address is not mentioned nor the address, but the number is 1-800-789-2233. So this is the only contact information available. Now let's talk about social media presence. So friends, this website is available in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. Hence it is one positive point for the website. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's check into it. So friends, this is the information regarding return. You can apply for return within 30 days from the date of receipt. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, friends, there are reviews updated in Google. Like for example in trustpilot.com, there is a review by a customer named Tracy Dalian. He said that I ordered a Versus shirt for my husband and paid $90. What arrived was a fake product, not this shirt I ordered, not even the same style. Will initiate a chargeback. So there are mixed reviews like positive and negative feedbacks as well, but the negative feedbacks are more regarding the website. If you ask about the website content quality, it is not good as most of them is copy pasted from other sites. So on basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website seems to be legit, but it is better to do your own research, and we advise you to check all these points for all website before making any payments or selection. This website seems to be legit but need to be researched well before you think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing money in any website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.